It was a critical tool for us when we were starting to reach out again within the community to recruit our patients, and then also in our interactions with sponsors from a very high level, the operation standard all the way down to the staff that was involved at the site level. It just really streamlines our workflow. StudyTeams integrates the protocols into our interface, and the checklists are invaluable for people who are at varying levels of expertise. It's helpful to keep us all honest in terms of the information that we are assimilating into our patient selection, and then how we interact with those patients throughout the life cycle of the study. As a team, we're not having to utilize multiple different avenues to figure out what our recruitment profile looks like. We can put all of our patients, whether we're pre-screening, we've got them, or even just considering them, they've been referred, and we can either say, we've done the database review or the chart review, and they don't look like they qualify, but they may qualify for an upcoming study. It's rare that I get the personalized attention that we have gotten from one study team. Everyone has been so responsive about updating our site as to what, the feedback they've gotten from the sponsors when we're connected, when new updates have occurred within the software, when things have changed. It's also a very user-friendly platform. So the data exchange it's the foundation of the global perspective of a clinical trial. If the outcomes are not coming up as quickly or at the pace or the expected outcomes that the sponsor or the scientists were anticipating, they can see what's working, what's not working from a recruitment level, where inclusion and exclusion is failing or meeting benchmarks that they hope for, and they can adjust appropriately. And we have seen that in a couple of our studies so far. We find it, incredibly useful for recruitment, for retention, for managing our incredibly evolving and vast vendor workload that we've got. So you may want to consider jumping on and making everyone's lives a little bit easier.